Hey, what's up fellas, mechanic mode here, another video for my YouTube channel. Today guys, we'll talk about how to drain and replace the transmission fluid on 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. And as you know guys, I already fixed a lot of things on this particular model, and it's 2010, 2011 up to 2018, 17. I don't remember all the years, but you can look down below guys, because I'm gonna post all those videos where I fixed this particular model, particular car. And a new video also is gonna come about this car. I can tell you right away, I gotta replace the lower front engine mount, especially when you drive it, and I can feel it, and I looked it up, it's really bad. So I'll have a couple of repairs on this car, but today we'll replace the transmission fluid, and I already have the fluid right here guys. Let me show it to you right here. Original, this is ATF +4. That's what you need. Never put aftermarket fluid on your car. The worst part in this job is this wheel pan does not have a drain plug. That sucks, but basically what you have to do is unscrew all the bolts and slowly release the wheel pan down and kind of aim to your drain. First thing what you have to do is lift up the car. If you don't have a lift home, then you can definitely lift up the driver's side, because that's where the transmission is. Alright guys, so particular model has two wheel pans, front one, and then we have the lower one. So what you have to do is you definitely have to take a 8mm and take all the bolts around, unscrew them, but leave one here and then leave one here. This way you're making sure that the wheel pan will not fall on while you're unscrewing rest of the bolts. As you see guys, I just removed this bolt and the oil already started leaking. I did not expect this, but that's cool. That means it's we can start doing the oil drain. That means we're gonna not mess up everything when we're gonna take the oil pan out. So let's see how much will drain, and then once it's done, then we can remove the oil pan. So I left this for about 15 minutes. It's still draining, but it's not that bad. That means now we can go. I'm gonna use something like this, so be sharp. So what I'm gonna do is I gotta insert on the corner in order to, I'm gonna knock it a little bit out in order to make a gap and basically unstick the wheel pan from the transmission. Here we go. Here is the transmission filter. You also as well now can unscrew the bolt here and then here and replace the filter. Unfortunately, I don't have a filter this time, but guys, it's not hard at all. You unscrew right here the bolt. Let me show it to you right here. It's Torx. And then you got as well one here, and you definitely can replace the transmission filter if you need to. So here, guys, is the wheel pan. And what you want to do next is to take this gasket maker off the wheel pan, and definitely you want to take this magnet right here and clean it out, because as you see, it's filled with dust, metal dust, and this is not really good for your transmission. Every time when you work on transmission and stuff like that, when you definitely replace the fluid, or you are replacing filter and stuff, you have the access to the magnet. Don't forget to clean your magnet, because this is very important. As you see here, you got a razor blade, and you go ahead and clean all this gasket maker. Nice and easy. And then what you want to do is you want to have some degreaser and wash properly all surface, inside, outside. As you see here, guys, everything is clean, beautiful, washed. The magnet, it's clean. So now we are preparing this wheel pan for a new gasket maker. And also forgot to tell you guys, you want to do as well same thing around the transmission. You see we still have transmission fluid coming out, but what we want to do is you want to go ahead and clean all this surface right here around, and make it also, wipe it out, make it dry, clean for the new gasket maker. We got clean magnet, we got the surface beautiful, clean, no oil, no gasket maker, everything is clean. Here is clean surface for new gasket maker too on the transmission. So right before when you installing is, make sure you got the bolts. Again, go ahead and wipe all this leaking oil, and then just install the wheel pan back together. Hi guys, so as you see, I put back the wheel pan. It's attached. Now what we're gonna do is make sure you got all the screws in before you starting tightening up, and make sure also the wheel pan is aligned to the right holes. As you see now, the gasket maker starts coming out, and then you want to also screw it together like this in the cross, because this way your wheel pan comes to the right place and all the screws are easily, I'm not forcing any screw to come in, you just want to make sure you do it right. So these bolts are pretty fragile. There's no reason to get a big wrench and screw it up. I got a 3/8, I got a 1 in 4 8mm, just like that. Go ahead and make sure each screw it's tied up all the way. All right, so make sure you let the wheel pan dry a little bit. I'll let it probably an hour. Let me show you where is the refilling plug. If you guys look at it right there, let me show it to you right here. This is the refilling. So battery engine coolant hose. You go on the side right here in front of the battery, and it's right here. Right here is the connector for the transmission. Right next to it, you just have to unscrew it. Let me do this. You can see it from here too, just like that. You're gonna go ahead, yep, just like that, for dealer use only. And this is the transmission plug refiller right there, guys, in front of the, right under the transmission. As you see, we got a funnel right there, pretty long, clean, ready to go. Make sure you're mixing up the new fluid, and let's go ahead, and you'll take all 6 quarts. So guys, repeating yourself, you'll take 6 quarts. All right, after we are done, we're good to go ahead and put the plug back. The way we removed it, the same way we are just screwing it back to normal, just like that. It's screwed. So now guys, let's lift her up and see if we have any leaks. As you see guys, there's no oil leaks around at all. It's just a shiny brand new gasket maker. Let's go ahead and start the car. Here we go. We got the engine running. Everything is fine. Let's go ahead and put the car into gears. Let's see how it goes. Beautiful, beautiful. Reverse, drive. I think we did a really good job. This is it guys. Alright guys, so this video it's done. This is that was 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan S60 model with a 3.6 engine. Runs beautiful. I did test the car. There's no any issues with the new fluid. So if you have any questions guys, text me below. I'll definitely answer to you. If you are first time on my YouTube channel, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you next time.